Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Chaos. It's summer, it's hot, and it's barbecue season. So today, we're going to grill up a bunch of veggies to use in a summer salad. On the side, we're also gonna grill up some shrimp. First, we're going to go ahead and prepare all of our ingredients. We're seasoning the shrimp with just some salt, some pepper, and another seasoning we used here is a seafood seasoning mix. Then we will skewer the shrimp and set them aside. We have a whole host of veggies we're cooking up here today. We're not doing much to them, really. We're just drizzling them with some olive oil, adding a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and really you're good to go. They really hold up on their own, especially when you grill them. Grilling this many veggies is a bit of a game of Tetris. You might have to shift things around, find the hot spots, and continue to just monitor them until they all get a nice sear and they're tender to your liking. Once you're happy with all the veggies and their tenderness and the cook and the char, take them off the grill, set them aside. So for the shrimp, those won't take long at all, but timing really does depend on the size of your shrimp. These ones that we've used here are really tiny. They only need about 30 to 45 seconds each side. So really these veggies are good as is. We don't really need to do much else to them. You can bulk prep these, keep them in the fridge, and use these as sides or in different things throughout your week if you want. For funsies, we're going to go ahead and use them and make a summer salad. For this salad, we're going to be using our grilled corn, our grilled poblanos, our grilled onion, our mushrooms, our zucchini. We also grilled our avocado. We're gonna use all of those things in our summer salad. We also grilled our lime because that's fun. We also threw in some feta just to kick it up a notch. We're also tossing all of those with our vinaigrette. So we're using a vinaigrette that we made in a previous video as our salad dressing for this. So salad came out pretty great. I still have a bunch of veggies to use up, so I'm gonna eat those throughout the week. Let us know how you use up the rest of your vegetables or the shrimp, and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our website for a full recipe, plus more tips and tricks. And don't forget to give us a follow on all the socials. See you next time.